Yeah, I have a lot of things that I go through once I've gotten someone pre-approved of, here's the do's and don'ts. And some of those things are no major changes in your life. What I mean by that is don't go and change jobs in the middle of the escrow, meaning, hey, you're 2 weeks into purchasing this property, it's a 30-day close, and you decide to change jobs. Don't do that. Don't go out and make any major purchases. Don't open new credit lines. I have had people do all kinds of things. They go to American Furniture Warehouse or whatever furniture company and they see this awesome special or deal on a new bed that they want for their new home, and they decide to open a credit card with them to save 10%. Well, now we've got to prove what that new debt is per month, and that sounds easy, but not always, because sometimes those companies can take weeks or maybe a month to be able to report that to the credit bureaus. Well, now we have to prove how much that debt is and things like that. Or I've had people go out and they call Comcast a week before they're closing their property because they want to make sure they get that Wi-Fi and their new high-definition TV set up day one. Well, Comcast usually is going to do what's called a hard credit inquiry. Any new credit inquiries that pop up, we have to explain, we have to document if you did in fact open a new trade line, what those monthly payments are and things like that. So it's definitely something not to do. Don't go depositing money into your account, non-payroll deposits. So sometimes people save money. Maybe they're a server, or maybe mom and dad gave them a check for $20,000 and they went and cashed it and they didn't deposit it into their account. And then they take that cash, go and deposit it in their bank account. Well, we now have money that we can't verify. Unfortunately, there's this thing called the Anti-Money Laundering Act. Essentially, we have to prove that you're not laundering money or you're not a drug dealer because of these large cash deposits. And so we have to prove where every penny came from. So no major changes to employment. Don't go and make large deposits to your account that are not payroll related. Don't go open new trade lines and things like that. My name is, again, Jeremy Anderson. My telephone number is 319-400-6227. My email address is jeremy@lockstepmtg.com. Make sure whoever it is that you're going to be working with or potentially working with, that you vet them, and making sure that they have a good track record. If they don't have reviews, probably not the person I would want to work with.